Good evening to all. Today I make long potato but in oven. I show you how to make. These the ingredients you need to boil, and 1 egg, flour, and corn flour. Need to put salt. This I finished the boiled potato. And you need to put little salt. 2 teaspoons of corn flour, and 2 tablespoons flour. One egg. You need to put butter, 1 tablespoon of butter. And you need to smash the potato. This the ready smashed potato. The pan you need to put oil for not sticky. I put the butter, and you need to put properly the oil. In the potato you make like this. Wait. I need to make like this the potato. Wait. Need to too much. Need like this the potato, and you put the grease. Ayan. This finish the long potato. I need to put the oil. If you don't have the butter, you put the oil, any kind of oil. Olive oil, cooking oil. This one for cooking. And I put the oven. I make oven now. This finish the long potato. This the long potato I make in oven. Thank you for watching.